Describe something that was broken in your home and then repaired. You should say, what is it? How was it broken? How you got it repaired? And how you felt about it? Answer. One thing that was broken in my home and later repaired was our ceiling fan. Since we live in a warm climate, the fan is very important, especially during summer. We use it every day to keep the room cool and comfortable. One evening, while I was sitting in my room, I noticed that the fan was making a strange noise. At first, I ignored it, but after a few days, the noise became louder and the fan started shaking. Then, one day, it suddenly stopped working completely. I tried switching it on and off, but it didn't respond. That's when I realized that it needed to be repaired. Since I didn't know much about fixing electrical appliances, I asked my father for advice. He suggested calling an electrician. The next morning, we contacted a local electrician, and he arrived within a few hours. After checking the fan, he told us that the motor was damaged due to dust and overuse. He replaced the motor and oiled some parts to ensure it worked smoothly. The whole process took about an hour. I felt relieved because, without the fan, it was very uncomfortable to stay in the room, especially during hot weather. I was also happy that the repair was quick and not very expensive. This experience taught me that regular cleaning and maintenance are important to avoid such issues. Now, I make sure to clean the fan blades and check for any unusual sounds before they turn into bigger problems. Overall, I learned a useful lesson and I was glad that we got the fan repaired instead of buying a new one.